Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add another user on your Windows 11 PC. So firstly, head over to your settings application, then on the menu option, you come down to account, then under account, you scroll up till you see other users. Then on the option of add other user, you click on add account. So you're going to be waiting for a while for it to load. Okay, so once it shows this, then you click on I don't have this person sign in information. Okay, after that, then it will show this create account, then click on add a user without Microsoft account. Okay, then you input the user's name. So you just input a name. So I'll just input user and leave the password option blank, then click on next. So like that, I've been able to create a new user account on my PC. That's just how you can easily do this, guys. If you find this video very helpful, do not forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.